Welcome to Lux Investments, your go-to channel for all things finance and crypto. Today, we're diving into an essential guide: how to monetize your TRC20 USDT stored in an OKX wallet if you have the recovery phrases. Let's break it down step by step. Recovery phrases are the key to your crypto wallet. They act as a master key to access your funds, whether on the OKX app, website, or any compatible wallet. But remember, these phrases are highly sensitive. If they fall into the wrong hands, you risk losing your assets. You have TRC20 USDT in your OKX wallet and recovery phrases like nominee buzz game. How do you monetize it? Open the OKX app or any compatible wallet that supports TRC20 tokens such as Trust Wallet or TronLink. Click Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrases in the exact order. Verify the wallet is imported successfully and ensure the USDT balance is visible. Navigate to the send or transfer section in your wallet. Enter the receiving address of an exchange such as Binance, OKX, or KuCoin that supports TRC20 USDT deposits. Double-check the address and transfer a small amount first to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, transfer the full amount. Log into your exchange account and check if the funds have arrived. From here you can withdraw funds to your bank account via fiat conversion, trade USDT for other cryptocurrencies to diversify, or earn passive income by staking or lending your USDT on DeFi platforms. Let's pause for a moment to discuss security. Your recovery phrases should never be shared, stored online, or entered into suspicious websites. A few quick tips: write them down on paper and store them in a safe location. Use hardware wallets for added security. Always double-check URLs and apps to avoid phishing scams. In this scenario, the process remains similar. If someone has transferred TRC20 USDT to your wallet and you have the recovery phrases, Step 1. Import the wallet using the recovery phrases in the OKX app or any TRC20 compatible wallet. Step 2. Confirm the incoming transfer in the transaction history. Step 3. Follow the steps mentioned earlier to withdraw or trade the funds. On-screen text overlay, recovery phrase equals full wallet access. Security is key, never share your phrases. Now that you've accessed your funds, let's talk about monetizing them. Here are a few strategies to maximize your TRC20 USDT earnings. Staking or yield farming. Use platforms like JustLend or other Tron-based DeFi apps to earn interest on your USDT. Lending platforms like AAV or OKX allow you to lend USDT to others and earn passive income. Trading. Trade your USDT for other cryptocurrencies with growth potential or invest in stablecoin pairs for arbitrage opportunities. Fiat conversion. Sell your USDT on a peer-to-peer marketplace or withdraw directly to your bank account using an exchange. And that's it for today's video. Whether you're managing a wallet with TRC20 USDT or exploring ways to monetize, always prioritize security and make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Call to action text overlay. Got questions about crypto? Drop them in the comments below.